Hi, I'm Wade, your guide to get set up. Do you have a Gmail account that you haven't really used for anything other than just creating and reading emails? Or maybe you've heard about Gmail and are interested in it but haven't had the time to really understand how it works? If so, this class is for you. Gmail has a lot of features that you don't find in some of the other email programs. It also is tightly linked to Google's other apps, so it's extremely helpful if you use other apps like Google Calendar. So in this class, we will learn how to create a new message, format it, and add attachments to it. We'll also review the different ways you can configure your inbox to find the one that works just right for you. We'll also learn how to Gmail labels are very much like folders in other email programs, but much more powerful than folders. And we'll also talk a bit about spam messages and how to deal with spam and much more. So a recent learner said after the class that she never knew Gmail had so many good features that she had never used before. So come and join us for a future Get Started with Gmail class and meet other learners that are also interested in Gmail and join our lifelong community of learners at GetSetUp.